It's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the buttons on your PlayStation 5 controllers. So if you want to go ahead and press the X button and have it do something else in the game, or you want to go ahead and remap the R3 to something else, well, this is very easy. So in Call of Duty, I like to jump sometimes with the R3 button. So what we could do is go up to the top and go to Settings right here and select this. Then go to Accessibilities. Then go to Controllers and go to the right and go to Custom Button Assignment for DualSense Wireless Controller. Change button assignments. This setting also applies to your PS4 controller and then your PlayStation 5 third-party controllers as well. So let's select this and enable it, and then go on down and go to Custom Button Assignments right here, and then we can go ahead and select the Custom Button Assignments. So I have it turned on, so I have to press R3. And then I can go to the R3 button here, and I can reset everything. So let's reset everything. Alright, good. Then I can change it again. So let's do the D-pad. So if I want to change the D-pad left button to the D-pad down button, I easily could right here, and you can see the remap. And then I can go to Apply. And then you can scroll on down, you can see on the bottom, right here, the remap button. So the left D-pad is remapped to the down button here. So that's what it looks like. And when you apply it, just a heads up, you're going to be having to move and navigate the menu with the new button layout. So if you remapped X, you're going to have to press whatever button you remapped it to enable this or disable this. You should be good to go now. And this will apply to all the games in the console menus as well. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. More technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.